So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the third part of this Flutter McDonald's concept app UI series. And in the previous video, we have created the card provider class, and today we are going to work with our blocks. So I'll create a new folder inside my lib folder. So I'll just create a new folder and I'll name it as block. And then inside this block folder, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to create a block for my card. So I'll create a card list block. So card list block dot start. Okay, so before that guys, we are going to use some plugins out here or Flutter packages out here. So first of all, you need to go to your pubspec.yaml, and then here you guys can see that I have added the rx dart package and also the block pattern package. So you guys can go to your pubspec.yaml and then add these two packages to the pubspec.yaml file. And so you also need to save it, so to get so to run the pub.dev or to run the pubspec.yaml. So that's it, and after that you guys can import it into the cart list block file. So I will just cancel this up, and here I will first import the model. The first I'll import the async package. So dart async. So dart async package comes with the Flutter itself, so you don't have to add any extra packages for it. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to import the block pattern package. So block pattern dot dart, and then I'm going to import the rx.dart package. So rx dot dart, and then after that we need to import the model. So import uh, food item model. So package, okay, package model, okay, model, then food item dot dart, and then we also need to import the provider model. So models, then card provider. So this card provider model will be receiving our data by this by the block method, which we are going to create now. So first of all, I'll create a card. I'll create a class, and I'll call it as card list block. So I hope you guys are familiar with reactive programming, which I'm going to use up here. But if you guys are not familiar with reactive programming, so do leave the comment in the comment section which part you guys are not able to understand. And I'll also be making a tutorial video based on this block pattern on Flutter. So do tell me in the comments if you want such type of videos or not. And I hope you guys will understand, because I'm going to explain what each of the thing does in this video. So first of all, we have created a cart list block which extends to this block base, which is a pre-created class, and it is an abstract class. So we don't have to create this class. It is already being defined in this block pattern.dart package. So we are just extending to it. So we are extending this cart list block to the block base, and then what we need to do, I will assign a variable of list controller. So this list controller will be our stream controller. So in reactive programming, we usually define the stream controller as a behavior subject. So behavior subject and behavior subject list, okay, list of food items. Okay, so food item dot seeded, and now we are set. So here we have assigned a list controller, a stream controller to this list controller, and now it is going to control the stream. And after that, what we need to do, we need to create the provider or cart provider. So we'll assign a value of provider with the cart provider. So cart provider equals cart provider, which is the class which we have created in the earlier part of this series, that is the previous video. So you guys can have a look if you guys have not watched it till now. Then we need to create a stream. So stream So the stream would be actually the output, so we are actually creating the output. So list food item, and it is going to get the list stream. So list stream, list stream, which is list controller dot stream. So list controller dot stream. Okay, and then we need to also give an input. So this will be our output section, output part. So output, and we need to also define an input, so which would be the sync. So input. So a sync would add some value to our to our stream, stream controller, and this one would actually get the stream. So it would actually get the output. So the input would be a sync. So sync list food item, sync list food item. Okay, get list sync, and this what we are going to do is list controller dot let's say sync. Okay, so now we are going to add the data to our stream controller, and then we are going to get the stream, which will be the output part, and this is the input part. So basically sync means inserting a data, and stream means getting the output, and stream controller controls the stream and all these things. So first we need, like for suppose if you want to fill get the values of a login form or a registration form, then we usually use the text controller. Similarly, we are using now the stream controller, and after that we need to create some methods. So first method which we would create is the add to list method. So this one would add a food item to our list. So food item, okay, food item, and then list dot sync. Okay, list sync dot, okay, list sync dot add, okay, provider. Now what is the provider? Actually it is the class we have defined it out here. So provider dot remove what we are doing, we are adding. So I'm getting confused. So add to list, and it would be a food item, yes, of course, and that's it. So we have added the food item to our sync, through our sync to the to the stream controller, and we can get the stream by using this list get list list stream. So after that we need to create another method for removing item from the list. So I'll just copy this up and I'll paste it here. So what it is, it will do is it is going to remove from list. Okay, from list. Okay, this one would still be listing, because we are inserting the remove method. So actually we are inserting something, we are making some changes to our stream, so we will still add this use this add. And then what we need to do is, this one is add to list. So this one would be remove from list. So remove from list. Okay, so that's it, we have created this remove from list method. And after that what we need to do is we need to dispose our stream controller. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to override the dispose method. So override, I think I forgot to put the bracket, so I'll just cut it up and I'll just paste it here. And after that, override void dispose, and then we need to dispose our close our stream controller, so to prevent any memory leaks. So close, and we also need to dispose the super. So super dot dispose. Okay, so I guess we are all set, and yes, we are all set. And now what we need to do is the block part is set for our card, and let's save it first. Uh, and so guys, that's it for this video. And in the next video we'll start off by building we'll start off with our main.dart, and also we'll build the UI part. So guys, I hope this series is being helpful for you guys, and do like it and share this video if you found it helpful, and do subscribe to my channel to get notified for the latest upcoming videos. And till then guys, I'll see you guys in the next part, so keep watching.